going on, everyone? Tosh coming at you guys with another video. Now, this came in a little late. This was part of my Cyber Monday, Black Friday haul. This was supposed to come with everything else I unboxed, so now I'm going to have to just do an individual unboxing of this. But this is kind of worthy of its own little video slash unboxing. This is by ChoeTech or ChoeTech. So this is a 5-coil dual fast wireless charger mat. So it can charge 2 things simultaneously. Powerful 5 coils for wider charging area and better charging efficiency. 3 charging modes, a 10 watt, 7.5 watt, and a 5 watt for different QI enabled devices. Reversible Type-C port, which is wonderful. I don't have to worry about switching back and forth between ports. That alone is just awesome for that. And it has high speed input for fast wireless charging. It's lightweight, portable charger with PU leather surface and a modern and stylish look. But yeah, I got this on Cyber Monday and I needed a charging piece because I just got, you know, the Samsung Active 2. I got the Galaxy Buds that I did a review. All these review videos I'll link down below if you want to go check them out. And obviously my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I can throw those all on this mat. It has the 5 coils, so it allows it to have a large surface space for you to just throw it on. You don't have to worry about placing it directly in a specific spot. So that was the main reason why I got this, because this is just better than all the rest that I was looking at online. So we'll do a quick unboxing for you guys, show you what comes in this box, and then I'll do a quick little demonstration. Throw the watch on, earbuds, and the phone. So let's unbox it. Alright, so this is the packaging. If you guys can read it if it's not too bright. Nothing special about it. Just says a 5-coil dual fast wireless charger. Some of the specs right there for you. That's that for the box. So the model is the T535-S. Now they also had another model that was on sale too for like 25 bucks, which I think it still is. So I'll have that link down below too, but the only difference was that one that I didn't get didn't come with the charger port. This one came with the charger port. That's why it was a little more expensive. But either way, 35 bucks is worth it. So this is the product itself. Now, on the touch, it does have that textured leather feel to it. So definitely will grip your device and won't slide off if you happen to just kind of toss it on there. And being able to just kind of toss it on there, not only do you get the grip, but like I said, it has the 5 coils within it. So throughout this whole, as long as it's touching anywhere on the surface, it should be able to charge your device. So unlike, you know, the little circle things you gotta line it up with, you don't have to worry about that with this. So that's pretty neat. Become a VIP, get the user manual like you did with everything else. You get a decent quality USB cord here. It's got like a thick rubber sleeve on it, so it doesn't feel too cheap. Typical USB port, USB-C port, and then of course the power brick. And this is the power port. All things we've seen before, nothing special. Only special thing is this thing right here. I'm gonna plug this in, demonstrate the charge. Alright, so as you can see, once it's plugged in, you do get an LED green light right here up front, which is also nice, letting you know that it's being charged up. Alright guys, got everything laid out here so we can demonstrate how it charges, how efficient it is, and if it can even charge everything at the same time. So as you can see here, I got my Active 2 charging right now, just because I want to display what it shows when it's charging, the animation, so that way I can tell if it's actually charging. As you can see, you get the battery circle, and then it tells you a percentage. We all know with the buds, there's an LED light here on the front. Right here is going to be an LED light, so if I can get that to shine, that means they are charging. So I'm going to throw the buds, just plop them on. Now right there, they are not charging. So one, you'll get an LED indication on the front showing that something is charging on this, and then whatever animation the device does. So I did notice this thing is not as precise as I thought it was gonna be, because as you can see, it's on the mat pretty much all the way on, and it's still not picking up. It might be hard to tell, but at least look for that LED light. See the LED light? That means it's charging now. The red light on the buds are going, you can see that a little bit. So it does have to be more centered on the mat, so that is kind of a bummer, but you're still getting a mat that's wide and it can fit 2 devices. Can't really knock it for that. 35 bucks. It's not as like you can just throw it on and it starts charging. Say no LED light. It's still pretty centered. So you still have to position it. Now there's an LED light. Thought it was gonna be a little bit better, but I guess not. Just drop it right in the center. All right, light works. Take it off, lights off. Throw it right there. No light. So now it has to be centered in some kind of way on the mat. Alright, so we tried the earbuds. Let's try the phone. Throw the phone on, we'll just halfway up the top, no charge. Put it more in the center. Nothing. There we go. So you still have to find a sweet spot, which kind of sucks. Thought I was going to be able to just like place it wherever I want. See, it charges right there. You hear the animation. So the phone has to be centered as well. So obviously we know it's not as wide surfaced as we thought it was going to be, but you can still charge 2 devices at once. So now we're going to test out 2 devices. So we already know this thing isn't as wide of a surface space just to throw it on anywhere. It does still have 5 coils, supposedly it says, so you could charge more than 1 device. So it does have to be centered. As you can see, you got the animation. But let's test out 2 devices at once. Let's see if it at least does that. Alright, so it does do that. It's hard to tell. I don't know if you guys can see the red light. See the red light on the front right there? There you go. So the earbuds are charging, and you can see the battery animation on the phone. So we'll still charge 2 devices at once, which still comes in handy. So I'm not too mad. It's only 35 bucks. Charge 2 devices wirelessly. You can't knock that. It just sucks in the middle of the night. You can't just toss it on there. At least if you do, you got to make sure it's completely centered to some degree. Let's just pretend we're laying in bed and I'm just like, oh, charge. See, not charging. Charge. There we go. Second time's the charm. Laying in bed, you just want to toss these in the middle. As long as you feel it and you know you got it centered, it will start charging. The phone's a little difficult, I guess, because you got to make sure the phone is perfectly centered and to some degree. See, it's not charging right now. I thought that was centered, but I guess not. Now it's charging. Now let's see if it charges. So we know it charges the Note and it charges the earbuds, but will it charge my Samsung Active 2 watch? So that's the animation, as you just seen. Alright, so as you can see, I got the watch perfectly centered, but it is flickering. So I guess the pad doesn't know what's going on. It wants to throw a charge at it, but the watch won't accept it. So I don't know what is going on. I guess the watch doesn't do it. So if you're interested in knowing if it charges the watches, it doesn't. So as you can see, if I throw it on its initial charge, you get the animation. If you're looking for a wireless mat that charges your phone and maybe your earpods, or maybe 2 phones at the same time, we'll try 2 phones. I'm gonna go get my fiance's phone real quick, see if it charges 2 phones. Alright, so you had to find the sweet spot for her phone. Where's the sweet spot for mine? Alright, so it is charging both, as you can see. My battery animation. So it will still charge 2 phones at the same time. She's got the Galaxy Note 9. Mine is the Note 10 Plus. So you could charge 2 phones, 1 phone, or a phone and earbuds, or 2 earbuds. So whatever you're looking for, obviously you can't charge a watch, we've seen that. So if you're looking for a pad that charges 2 devices, that's a phone or earbuds, you're good to go. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down, whatever. Hit the comment section if you have any questions or concerns. I'll get back to you guys on that. And with that said, y'all stay nerdy. I'm out. Peace.